Welcome to my channel Aditya Vikram Rai. I am a subject teacher of LPM Public School, and today's our topic is chapter 41, Dances of India. And we know that we are learning unit 6, that is art and entertainment. And you know that there are different forms of arts performed around the world to entertain us. Okay, so today's our topic is art and entertainment, and there is some subtopic in it. What is it? 39 music mantra, chapter 39 music mantra, chapter 40 famous cartoon characters, chapter 41 dances of India, chapter 42 famous dances around the world, chapter 43 different tools of art, and chapter 44 what's this craft card. Okay, and today's we have to learn chapter 41 and chapter 42 dances of India and famous dances around the world. So let's start. We after that after on yesterday we have learned music mantra and famous cartoon characters. And in music mantra we have to know we group musical instruments into families based on how they make sounds. In an orchestra, musicians sit together accordance to these family groupings. Let us read more about them. First is brass instrument. Brass instruments are made of brass or some other metal and make a sound when air is blown inside. The examples of brass instruments are trumpet, French horn, and tuba. And after that, percussion instruments. What are percussion instruments? Percussion instruments make sounds when they are hit, shaken, rubbed, or scratched. As like the examples of percussion instruments: drums, xylophone, bells. And next one is string instruments. What are string instruments? The sound of string instruments comes by plucking their strings. The examples of string instruments are guitar, violin, and harp. And the next one is woodwinds. Woodwind instruments produce sound when air is blown inside. For example, flute, oboe, clarinet. And next chapter is chapter 40, famous cartoon character. In this topic, identify the cartoon characters given below and write their names in the space provided using the help kit. On first there is Popeye, Popeye, Popeye. Second is Mickey Mouse, Mickey, Mickey Mouse, Mouse. Third, Tom and Jerry, Tom and Jerry, Tom and Jerry. Fourth, Chota Bheem, Chhota, Chota, Bheem, Chota Bheem. Fifth, Scooby-Doo and Shaggy, Scooby, Scooby-Doo, Doo, and Shaggy, Shaggy, Scooby-Doo and Shaggy. Sixth, Dexter, Dexter, Dexter. Seventh, Doraemon, Doraemon. On 8, that is Tintin, Tintin. On 9, that is Donald Duck, Donould, Donald Duck. Factopedia, it takes 6 months to make one Simpson episode and it is the longest running show. And now, that's topic dances of India. And you know that India is known for its classical and folk dances. They describe its rich cultural heritage. And now you have to match these dances with their names. You know that India is known for its classical and folk dances. They describe its rich cultural heritage. Match these dances with their names. The first picture is of Kathak. Okay, so you have to match it from Kathak. First from Kathak, option B, Kathak, Kathak, Kathak. First dance is Kathak, so you have to match it from Kathak, option B. Second one is the given second picture is related to Manipuri dance, that is option A. So you have to match second from A, okay, that is Manipuri. Then you have to match second from Manipuri, that is option A, okay. And now the next one, third is Kathakali. So you have to match it from option D, Kathakali. So you have to match third from D, that is option Kathakali. Okay, so let's come on next, that is fifth, that is fourth, and on fourth that is related to Bharatnatyam, that is option C. And on fourth, that's given on fourth, this dance is Bharatnatyam, so you have to match it from option C. Then you have to match fourth from C, that is Bharatnatyam. Okay, and the next one is fifth, and fifth dance is Bhangra, that is given on option F. The fifth that is related to, the fifth picture is dance of Bhangra, that is on option F. So you have to F from 5 or 5 from F. Okay, that is Bhangra. And next one is sixth picture is related to Dandiya Ras, DANDIYA, Dandiya, RAS, Ras, Dandiya Ras. Okay, so once again you have to see first is, the first one is Kathak, that is option B. Second dance is Manipuri, that is option A. So you have to match second from A and first from B. And third is Kathakali, so you have to match it from option D. So third from D. And fourth is Bharatnatyam, so you have to match it from option C, that is Bharatnatyam, fourth from C. Fifth, that is Bhangra, so you have to match it from option F, that is Bhangra. And fifth from option F, Bhangra. Okay, and sixth one is option E, Dandiya Ras, so you have to match it from option E, that is Dandiya Ras. So 6 from option E, Dandiya Ras. Factopedia: Kathakali is a dance performed only by male dancers. Kathakali is a dance performed by male dancers. That means Kathakali can do also by male dancers. Okay, Kathakali is dance performed only by male dancer, not can do woman dancer. Okay, only male dancer, not female dancers. Okay, and the next topic is chapter 42, famous dances around the world. You know that dance is a way to express emotions. People dance in order to celebrate as an informal play, a part of ritual or a part of professional performance. There are many dance forms across the world. Dance is a way to express emotions. People dance in order to celebrate as an informal play, a part of ritual or a part of a professional performance. There are many dance forms across the world. Look at these pictures and name the dance form. Use words from the help kit. Look at these pictures and name the dance form. Use words from the help kit. That is given on first. That is ballet. BALLET, ballet. On first, that is ballet. BALLET, ballet. On second, that is kabuki dance. That is kabuki dance. KABUKI, kabuki, DANCE, kabuki dance. On third, that is samba. SAMBA, samba. On fourth, that dance performance is dragon dance. DRAGON, dragon, DANCE, dragon dance. On fourth, that is dragon dance. On fifth, this dance is celestial dance. Spelling of celestial dance: CELESTIAL, celestial, DANCE, celestial dance. And on sixth, that is break dance. BREAK, break, DANCE, break dance. Once again, in first, that is ballet, BALLET, ballet. Second is kabuki dance, KABUKI, kabuki, DANCE dance, kabuki dance. Third is samba, SAMBA, samba. Fourth is dragon dance, DRAGON, dragon, DANCE, dragon dance. Fifth is celestial dance, CELESTIAL, celestial dance. Sixth is breakdance, BREAK, break, DANCE, breakdance. And Factopedia, the lion dance is commonly performed in China during the New Year. It is said to bring good luck. Okay, thank you.